Hey everybody, Ross Cortese here with C Ranch. We do have our Arrowquip head catch here. I'm going to walk you guys through some of the features and what made us choose this one, and some other features I've seen different. So we'll start here in the back. One of the things that I like is this is a solid door. This back door is a solid rolling door. We've had other systems in the past where an animal got their head caught in this rolling door. So solid door, number one thing that we like. Number two thing is how quiet just everything is. I'll slam this one, just listen. We'll try again with no cow. Very quiet. Everything on here opens. You can get anywhere we need. Full size door on this side. We can open the middles. Everything all works together. Come up here for the vet door. Works very easy to get in. Reach in to do anything that we need. We do have the head holder on the front. We use fairly regular, very easy to use, one-handed operation. Some of the other ones you have to use two hands. We don't always have two hands. You can see how easy it goes just with one hand. Now we've got this set up here with our working system, and we can get access from either side, but same thing on this side you see on the other side. If you come in here, easy access to get in here and give all your shots. All the panels and everything opens. You can get into anywhere you need to get in up here, just down here, if you need to get anything with their feet. So give them a check. It's what we ended up using, and that's why we like it.